आज की वीडियो में हम सीक्वेंस और सीरीज़ के प्रॉब्लम्स आगे कंटिन्यू करते हैं। आज की पहली प्रॉब्लम है क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। इन एन इंक्रीजिंग जीपी द सम ऑफ सेकंड एंड सिक्स्थ टर्म इज़ 25/2 एंड द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ थर्ड एंड फिफ्थ टर्म इज़ 25। देन द सम ऑफ फोर्थ, सिक्स्थ एंड एट्थ टर्म इज़। There are four options 30, 26, 35 and 32. We have to told the correct option. So suppose the first term of GP is small a and common ratio is small r. Then sum of second and sixth term, sum of second and sixth term equal to AR is the second term plus AR to the power 5. This is given as 25/2 and this implies AR common 1 plus R to the power 4 equal to 25/2. Suppose this is relation 1. Product of third and fifth term. Product of third and fifth term equal to third term AR square into sixth term, fifth term AR की power 4. This equal to 25 and this implies a square r to the power 6, a square r to the power 6 equal to 25 and this implies AR cube equal to 5 taking square root. Suppose this relation is 2. Now if we divide 1 by 2, dividing 1 by 2, we get AR will cancel, so this will give 1 plus R to the power 4 upon 1 power of R will cancel, R square, 5 will cancel, and this will be 5/2. और ये क्या इम्प्लाई करेगा? This implies 2R की पावर 4 minus 5R square plus 2 equal to 0 and this implies, इसके फैक्टर कर लें, फैक्टर आएंगे 2R square minus 1 and R square minus 2 equal to 0. This implies R equal to √2 or 1/√2. GP is increasing, therefore R should be greater than 1. This root will be rejected or discarded. because this is less than 1. This root is discarded. So r equal to root 2. Now we have to find the sum of fourth term. Therefore, sum of fourth, sixth and eighth term equal to fourth AR cube, sixth AR to the power 5 plus eighth AR to the power 7. Now this will be equal to AR cube common into 1 plus r square plus r to the power 4. AR cube equal to 5. So from equation 2, this equal to 5 into 1 plus r square, r equal to root 2, r square will be equal to 2 plus r to the power 4 will be equal to 4. 4 plus 2, 6, 7, 7 into 5, this equal to 35. This is the C option. So C option is the correct option. Answer of this question is 35. Now we come to the second question. Second question is the sum of the infinite series. The sum of the infinite series is equal to, there are 4 options, 13 upon 4, 9 upon 4, 15 upon 4 and 11 upon 4. ये हम लेकर चलते हैं. मान लीजिए इनका सम s, सपोज s इक्वल टू 1 प्लस 2/3 प्लस 7/3 स्क्वायर प्लस 12/3 क्यूब प्लस 17/3 की पावर 4 प्लस एंड सो ऑन अप टू इंफिनिटी. This is arithmetico-geometric series of infinite terms whose common ratio is 1 upon 3. So we multiply s by 1 upon 3. Multiplying s by 1 upon 3 both sides, and we write shifting one term. This will be 1/3 plus 2/3 square plus 7/3 cube plus 12/3 की पावर 4 plus and so on. Now subtract. So subtracting we get s minus s by 3. So this will be 2s/3 left hand side, and this will be equal to 1 plus 2/3 minus 1/3, 1/3. 2/3 plus 1/3, 1/3, and this will be plus 7 minus 2, 5, 5/3 square plus 5/3 cube plus 5/3 की पावर 4 plus and so on. Now this can be written as 3 plus 1 plus 1/3. 4 by 3, this is 4 by 3 plus, now 5 by 3 can be taken, 5 by 3 square can be taken common, 5 by 3 square common. So this will be equal to 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 square and so on. Now this can be written as 4 upon 3 plus 5 upon 9 into, this is GP whose first term is 1, common ratio 1 by 3. So sum of infinite terms will be equal to A upon 1 minus R, 1 minus 1 by 3. If we simplify this, then we get, this will be equal to 4 by 3 plus 5 upon 9 into 3 upon 2. This will cancel with this 3. This will be 3 into 2. This will be equal to 3 into 2 means 6. So this can be written as, or this will be equal to 2 into 4, 8 plus 5 upon 6, and this will be equal to 13 upon 6. This is the value of 2s upon 3. Therefore, s will be equal to 13 upon 6 into 3 upon 2. 3 से ये cancel, so this will be equal to 13 upon 4. 13 upon 4 is the answer A. A option is correct. ये थी आज के वीडियो की दो प्रॉब्लम्स, सीक्वेंस और सीरीज से रिलेटेड। ये दोनों मेन 2021 में आई हुई थी। वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर कीजिएगा। चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। थैंक यू।